Hey guys, welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today we're going to take a look at one of the most amazing phones from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. But before we jump in, remember, all the products we talk about in this video are linked down in the description below, so make sure to scroll down and check them out if you're interested. Xiaomi's Ultra series phones are known for pushing the limits when it comes to cameras. And this time, there are some big changes too. The most eye-catching upgrade is a new 4.3x telephoto zoom lens with a large 200 megapixel sensor. But that's not all. There are more improvements, like the latest flagship processor, a bigger battery, and a brand new fingerprint scanner. The design has also been updated. The vegan leather is back, now with a fresh two-tone style, split with matte plastic. You still get that big round camera bump and a strong aluminum frame. The phone feels solid, premium, and well built. It also has IP68 water and dust resistance, just like last year's model. And just like before, Xiaomi also sells a set of camera accessories for this phone. For the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the camera accessories include a case with a detachable hand grip, a lanyard, decorative rings for the camera bump, and even a ring that lets you attach lens filters. Compared to last year, there's a new grip for your thumb and a bigger 2000 mAh battery built into the grip, giving you even longer shooting time. Just like before, there's a USB-C port so you can charge the phone without taking it out of the case. These accessories don't just make the phone more comfortable to hold while shooting, they also add real camera-like features like a dial for exposure, a two-stage shutter button, a zoom rocker, and a video record button. They look and feel premium, and they really give the phone a pro camera vibe. But of course, you'll need to decide if it's worth spending the extra money. As for the display, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra keeps the same 6.73-inch LTPO OLED screen as last year, with a sharp 1440p resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. But now, it's protected by Xiaomi's second-generation Shield glass, which is designed to be even tougher. Plus, the screen is brighter this time around. When the phone is just idling or you're not doing much, it's pretty quiet, but when it comes to audio, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has a pair of stereo speakers that are impressively loud. The sound quality is excellent too, right up there with other top flagship phones. Now, let's talk about unlocking. Xiaomi has upgraded the fingerprint scanner. It's now ultrasonic instead of optical. That means it's quicker and more accurate overall, unless you're using a glass screen protector, which can affect performance a bit. You also get an IR blaster, so you can use the phone as a remote to control other devices. The 15 Ultra comes with either 512 gigabytes or a full 1 terabyte of storage, but keep in mind, there's no micro SD card slot for extra space. On the software side, it runs Xiaomi's new HyperOS 2, built on top of Android 15. It looks similar to the previous version, just with cleaner visuals and some behind-the-scenes improvements for better performance. Google's Gemini Assistant is built in and offers a lot of handy features. Plus, Xiaomi has packed in its own set of AI tools under what it calls Hyper AI. During our long CPU stress test, we did notice some thermal throttling, meaning performance slowed down a bit to manage heat. Battery life, though, has seen a major upgrade. The global version now has a 5,410 mAh battery, while the Chinese model packs a massive 6,000 mAh. The previous Ultra had pretty average battery life, but this one is a huge improvement. Let me know your thoughts in comments. I hope this review helped you make the best decision for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So make sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you make an informed choice. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace out.